Hello children, welcome back. Now I am dealing with 10th class Telangana State Syllabus, second chapter, that is sets. So in this sets, before going to this sets, let us talk about the proverb. You snooze, you lose. What is the meaning of this, children? When you snooze, that means when you feel lazy to do the things, definitely you will lose the opportunity of getting success. So laziness brings you dullness, and success will not achieved by you. So what you need to do, children, always be alert, be confident, be sportive, be motivated. Because of these things, you will be very, very active in your day-to-day life, either it is in doing some job or it is in learning processes. If you are active, your mind will be very, very attentive, and that will give you a great success. Let us come back to the topic, children. Now we are going to talk about sets. In this sets, I am doing with the page 38 in your textbook, page 38. This is about Venn diagrams. What are these Venn diagrams? I have already explained you earlier about the universal sets and all. Now let us see about the Venn diagrams. You have got some examples here, children. I told you how the universal set has to be mentioned. Now in this Venn diagrams, the first example that is given to you is mu is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to set 10. What is this, children? Mu means universal set. Universal set has got elements up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elements are there in universal set. And there is another set A, which is having the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the elements of set A. So if you observe here, children, what all the elements that are there in set A are there in mu. So when you are representing it in the form of Venn diagram, what you will do? This is mu. So first what you do is you write the set A. What are the elements are there in set A? What are there? You have 2, you have 4, you have 6, you have 8, you have 10. So after writing all the elements of this set A, whatever are remaining, that you should keep in the mu set, universal set. 1 is there, we have not written, so that means it is out of set A. 2 already I have written. 3 is not there, so let me write it here. 4 already is there, and then 5. In this 5 is there, but you have not written this, so 5 will come under this. 6 is already there, so 7 will be there. It is not there in the set A. Then 8 is there in set A. 9 is not there in set A. 10 is there in set A. So whatever elements that are there in set A, we are not going to write. What we are going to write? The elements that are not there in set A, we will be writing in the mu part. So I hope you have understood, children. This is the way of representation of Venn diagram. Venn diagrams are represented by circles. Okay, ellipticals or circles like that. Now let us see the second one. Second one is again mu is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. They have given up to 10. Okay, all the elements are not written in your textbook, so it is up to 10. You have got mu, and then you have got set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and set B you have got 4, 6. Now you have to draw a Venn diagram for it. So let us observe this, what is given to us. In this, what they have given? Mu, universal set. So I will draw the universal set here. This is the universal set mu, and you have got two sets, set A and set B. In set A, what are the elements are there? Definitely they are there in mu. And then set B, what are the elements are there? They are not only there in mu, but also they are there in A. That means what? A and B are means totally the B is present inside, because all the elements of set B are there in set A. That means what we will say, that B set is a subset of set A. So B will be inside A. So first you have to draw B. And in this B, what all the elements are there? That you have to write 4 and 6. Then go to set A. What are the remaining elements? 2. I have to write it here. 4 already I have written, 6 already I have written. Now I have got 8 and 10. I have written in set A. Apart from this, in mu, you have got another numbers. That is 1, 2 is there, then 3, 4 is there, 5, 6 is there, 7, 8 is there, 9. So these are the other values that we need to write in the mu. So this is how you can represent the elements in the Venn diagram, children. Write down. Now, you have got another example here. Let us see that. The other one, the third bit. You have got set A. Set A is equal to A, B, C, D, and B is equal to C, D, E, F. Now you have to draw the Venn diagram. Of course, first you draw mu, even though they have not given mu set. When in Venn diagrams, it is better if you draw mu. Now observe these two. A is an element in A. It is not there in B. B also is not there here. But C is there, D is there. But B is having something extra. So you cannot say any set is a subset of the other. But what you can say, there are certain common elements in A and B. So those common elements means what? They are overlapping sets, we will say. Overlapping sets means how you have to write. This is set A and this is set B. They are overlapping. So in this part where here where they are overlapping, you should write what are the elements common. What are the elements common, children? C is here, C is here, D is here, D is here. So underlined ones are common. What are they? C and D. You are writing C and D. The remaining elements of set A, you will write it here. The remaining elements of set B, you will write it here. So this is how you are going to express the Venn diagrams. Here in the problems also, we are going to get exercise problems also, Venn diagrams. We will be doing that. Okay. Now copy this, children. Now you have got the next part here. Next part is basic operations on sets. Basic operations on sets. This is the topic which I am dealing with now. So in this basic operations, the first one is union of sets. You have got union of sets. That means you need to write union of sets. So the definition that you will give it is any two sets. A union of any two sets. Union of any two sets is a set which contains all the elements of the given sets. So, as an example, we will take children. As an example, I will take set A. What are the elements I have taken? 2, 5. I got set A here. Example 1 actually. It is in page 39, children. Page 39 you have got this example 1. Set A is given as 2, 5, 6, 8 and B is given as 5, 7, 9, 11. You have to find A union B is equal to how much? See, union of sets means union of any two sets is the set is a set which contains all the elements of given sets. And this union of sets is represented by this letter U. Union of sets means you have to write here U. This is the representation. Union of sets means. Okay. So here what I need to do, set A is given as 2, 5, 6, 8 and set B is given as 5, 7, 9, 11. So what is the definition says? Union of sets, that means A union B is equal to is a set which contains all the elements of the given sets. These two elements totally you have to write. So let me write elements of A, 2, 5, 6, 8. Then let me write the elements of B. But when I am writing elements of B, I should see whether the element has already entered here or not. Means if the repeated elements are there, only once you have to enter, not 2 times. So already 5 I have already written. If you have any doubt, children, common elements you underline so that you will not repeat that. If it is a big value, sets are very big, then you may confuse. So first what you do, you take set A and set B, common elements you underline. That means what? This I should write only once. Next time when I am going to the second set, I should not consider that. That meaning you will be getting. So 5 already written. So 7, 9, 11. So 2, 5, 6, 8, 7, 9 is the set. This set is called as union of set. Repeated element should be written only once. So I hope you have understood this, children. Now second example. Example 2. What is this example 2, children? A set is given as A, E, I, O, U. What are these, children? Vowels of English alphabet. And B is given to you as A, I, U. Then what is that they are asking you to show? Show that A union B is equal to A. You have to find out A union B. So first we write A union B. A union B is A, E, I, O, U union A, I, U. These two union you are writing. So what you are writing? Common elements, let us underline. A is there, I is there, U is there. That means all the elements of this set are there. So what are you writing? A, E, I, O, U. That's all. Here there are no other elements to write. So it itself is the answer. This is nothing but A, children. Therefore what you will say? A union B is equal to A. This is what they asked you to prove. I hope you have followed, children. Copy it. Now, next. Next part. This is example 3. Example 3. In this, A set is given as 1, 2, 3, 4 and B set is given as 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And the question is, find A union B. What is A union B? So, when you are writing A union B, children, first what you will write? A union B is equal to, both the sets you will write 1, 2, 3, 4 union 2, 4, 6, 8. So let us see any common elements are there. You have got 2 common, you have got 4 common. So when you are writing this set elements, you don't write that. So what are you getting? 1, 2, 3, 4. As it is first set you have to write, comma. 2, 4 already you have got 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 is the problem, that is a union of set A and B. Now let us see about intersection of the sets. Union of the sets is this much, children. 3 examples are given in your book. Remaining we will be doing it in the do this and problems also. Let us go for the next operation, that is intersection. Second one is intersection of sets. It is represented like this. This is about intersection of sets. So, what do you write about intersection of the sets? Intersection of the sets are any intersection of any two sets is a set which contains only common elements of the given sets. In the given sets, what are common? Only that you are going to write. Now, so, let me talk about examples. So, you have got example 4. Example 4 in page 40. In page 40, example 4. What is this example 4, children? You have got A as 5, 6, 7, 8 and B set is 7, 8, 9, 10. So the question is, you have to write what is A intersection B. A intersection B is what? So write this, children. A intersection B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 intersection 7, 8, 9, 10. These two sets intersection. So underline the common elements, children. 5 is not there, 6 is not there, 7 is there, 8 is there. So only 7 and 8 are common elements. So what are you getting the answer here? Only common elements you have to write, children. In union, you have written all the elements and the repeated elements you have written only once. That is union. Intersection means what, children? You have to represent only common elements. Nothing else. Okay. This is about intersection of the sets. Next. Only one problem is there. Now, even this, when you are representing in Venn diagram also, what you will do, children? Suppose you are representing example 5 is there. So, that example 5 in Venn diagram, we will be doing that. Now, I hope you have written it, children. Write it. Now, let me take example 5. In example 5, you have got set A as 1, 2, 3 and set B as 3, 4, 5. Set B is 3, 4, 5. You have to write A intersection B in Venn diagram. They are asking you to represent A intersection B in Venn diagram. So, first we will write set A elements 1, 2, 3 and set B elements 3, 4, 5. What did you say, children? Intersection means only common element. So, what is common element here, children? 3. So, when you are writing intersection sets, I told you you have to draw the box that is for universal set. A and B have got a common element. So, they are intersecting each other. Set A and set B. Whatever the common elements that you have underlined. So, here only 3. Write that in this center part. And the remaining elements which are not underlined should be written here. And in set B, you have to write it here. This is how you are representing intersection in Venn diagram, children. Okay? Copy it. Now, we will go to the next part, that is disjoint sets. What are disjoint sets? The sets which do not have any common elements are called disjoint sets. As the name indicates, disjoint means they don't join. We know that we will join two sets only when the two sets are having something common in them. If there is no common, we cannot join them. So, they are disjoint sets. As an example, let us take set A as an example. Let us say set A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So, see children, in these two, is there anything common here? 1 is here, it is not there. 3, not there. 5, not there. 7, not there. No elements are there in it. So, how will you write, children, when you are representing them in Venn diagram? You will write set A here and set B here, separately. 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, since there are no common elements, we will call them as disjoint sets. Are you understanding, children? This is about disjoint sets. I hope you have followed. Copy it. Disjoint sets will not join each other. So, actually, you can even say one thing, children. In disjoint sets, what is A intersection B, children? A intersection B is null set. Very important objective this is. In the objective they will ask, if A intersection B is a null set, what type of sets are they? You have to say them as they are disjoint sets. So, write on this, children. Now we will be going to the do this sums, children. You have got do this sums. Do this sums. You are getting in the same page. Okay. Where disjoint sets are there in the same page, you have got do this sums. So the first one is A is given as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and B is given as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now the question is, what is A union B and what is A intersection B? So write A. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So let us see any common elements are there. 2 is not there, 4 is not there, 6 is there, 8 is not there, 10 is not there, 12 is there. Common elements are there. So when you are writing A union B, what you are writing? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 union 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So what is it? We will be writing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All the elements as it is. Then what you have underlined here? Underlined 6 is common, 12 is common, you have underlined. So apart from these two, 3, 9, 15. So put them in an order, children. 2, 3, 4 and then 6, 8, 10, 12, 15. If you put them in an order, so whether you have written complete numbers, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have missed one more number. What did I miss? I have missed 9. So if you count like this, you will understand whether you have missed any number. So 8, 9, 10, 12, 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have taken all the elements. This is a cross check, children. This you need to do because already if you get this problem in the examination, that examination tension will be there already with you, and along with it, when you are copying, sometimes you may do mistake. So if you count like this, you will understand, yes, I have missed one thing. Just if you cross check, you will understand which one you have missed and you can take it out. So A union B I have written. Now A intersection B. What is A? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and B is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So what are the common elements? 6 and 12 we have written. So what is A intersection B, children? A intersection B is only common elements. So 6, 12 is the A intersection B part for this problem. This is how you will write the solution. Copy this, children. Now we will go to the second one. Now the second problem, A is equal to 6, 9, 11. B is equal to this. That means null set. Find A union null set. How will you write, children? A union null set is equal to 6, 9, 11 union null set. So what are you going to get, children? Union means all the elements. So 6, 9, 11 you will get. So what are you going to get? A union null set is A itself. This is the property. This kind of problems you will be getting in the exam also. Objectives: A union null set is equal to dash. You have to write A. So I hope you have understood, children. It's the second one copy. Now third one. We will go to the third problem. What is the third problem? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Now the question is, A intersection B is what? So A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll write directly here A intersection B. Now intersection B is 2, 3, 5, 7. So let us take common. 2 is there common, 3 is there common, 5 is there common, 7 is there common. So what is A intersection B, children? Only common elements. 2, 3, 5, 7. This is the answer for third one. See, children, if you could do it, if you underline the common ones, the problem becomes very easy. That is why I am underlining. Okay, copy it. Now let us go to the fourth one. Fourth problem is A is equal to 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to 7, 8. Now you have to show that A union B is equal to B union A. So first you write A union B. That means set A elements 4, 5, 6 union set B elements 7, 8. So what are you getting? There is no common element. So you will be writing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all. These are in an order, so we can leave it. Now go for B union A. So first you write B set 7, 8. Union A set 4, 5, 6. A set is 4, 5, 6. So what is no common element, so that repeated will not be talked about. So 7, 8, 4, 5, 6. So if you write it in an order 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are they not same, children? Whatever you have got here, you have got the same thing here. Therefore, A union B is equal to B union A. So, with this, I will stop my class, children. The remaining we will see in the next class. Bye.